Hibiscus is a wonderful flowering plant and can be found in almost every Indian house. The beautiful red colored flowers are eye soothing. But did you know, besides its charming beauty, lies a medicinal wonder? Hello plant parents, this is Vishal and today we will see how to make healthy and flavorful hibiscus tea right from our garden. So let's get started. Collect fresh, bright red flowers. You can make the tea only using flowers, but for flavor, take some mint leaves. I would like to share a tip. While taking mint, pinch off the tips of the plant, which will make your plant more bushier. And the tips will go in our hibiscus tea. I'm also adding some lemongrass, but it's completely optional. To begin with, wash your flowers and herbs thoroughly. After washing properly, remove the sepals and the base of the flower. You can also remove the anthers if you like. Now, take a pan, add 3 glasses of water, put in your flowers and herbs. Turn the flame on high and keep your pan over it. Let the concoction steep for 10 to 15 minutes. You can see a beautiful red color developing. After the water starts boiling, turn to medium flame. Let the water soak in the color and flavor. Our tea is almost ready. Take 2 glasses. Add honey to taste. Now gently pour the tea in the glasses. After that, squeeze in half a lemon in each glass. The color change looks so satisfying. Giving it a final punch of mint. So that's it. Our mouth-watering tea is ready. You can relish it either hot or chilled. And don't worry, the tea is completely safe to drink for a healthy adult. But for a word of caution, always do some research online. Also, don't forget to like and share the recipe to your friends and relatives. Your suggestions, confusions and experiences are always welcomed in the comment section. I'll be back with new videos. See you later.